Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain about the hybrid inheritance. In my previous video, I explained about the hierarchical inheritance, which is like a tree-like structure where it will be having only one parent and more than one children. And this is the parent, and these are the child classes. For this, again, we can extend more classes like A and B can be act like a parent, and we may have further children for the A and for the B also. So this is like a tree like structure, which is a hierarchical inheritance, which I explained in my previous video with an practical example. So now let's understand what is the hybrid inheritance. So in the hybrid inheritance, so here this A is considered as the parent class. Yes or no? This A is nothing but the parent class. Next, for this A, this B will be considered as the child class. Only this B is only the child of the A. C is not considered as child of A. So see the arrows. So you can understand. So this arrow is only for the B, not for the C. Means what? So this B class will be considered as a child class of only A, not for the C. So C. So C is not the child of A. Okay, don't get confusion. Now, so here we have another thing which is D class. So D will be having, D is considered as a child class of B and C as a parent. So here in this condition, so B and C will be act as a parent and D will be acting as a child of B and C. So look at here this diagram very carefully. So this B and C are the parents of only one child, which is D. So this, look at this diagram and this diagram. So what is the difference in this both diagrams over here? There is no difference. So in this also we have A, B are the two parent classes for the only one single child class. Here also B, C are the two parent classes for the only one child, which is D. Means this is known as multiple inheritance. So this diagrammatical representation is known as a multiple inheritance. Means in the hybrid inheritance we have even multiple inheritance also. We included multiple inheritance in the hybrid inheritance also. As so no, so this is known as multiple inheritance. I think you got a clarity of hybrid inheritance. Now let's see practically with an example. So we'll take this example only so that you can understand more clearly. So first what we have to do? First we have to create the parent class. So first we have to create the parent class. From the parent class we can take the reference of the parent class and we can create the child class. As so no. So that is the first rule. Yes, okay. So first we have to create the A as a parent. So A will be acting as a parent. So let's create the parent class. Okay, let's yeah. So yeah. So what is the syntax for the parent class? So class, and let's take the class name. What is the class name over here? A. And this is the thing. Yeah. Now let's write some function which is simple function. Let's try with the simple function. So def demo. Okay, demo. In this will add parameter like self. Okay, simply will add self only. Yeah. Now let's try to print. What will be printing over here? Let's say A is a parent. Yes or no? A is a parent. Yes. Okay. So this is the, what is this? This is known as parent class. It's known as a parent class. Okay, we'll write here in the comment section. Yes, this is known as a parent class. Okay, we have created the parent class. Yes. Next, what is the next step we have to do? So we have even B. So here the B is considered as a child. So we have to create the child class. So what is the parent of this B child? A. Okay. Yes, now we have to create the child class. Okay. So what is the syntax for the child class? Same like parent only. We have to include just a reference of parent. So let's change this thing. So which is the parent child is B. Okay. Let's use function as demo 1. Let's take B is a child. Is a child of what? A. A, so no, B is a child of A. Now here what we have done, we have to include the parent class in the child class. To access the parent properties in the child, we have to specify the parent. Yes or no? So this is known as child class. So it's a child class implementation. So this is known as a child class implementation. So this is known as child class. Okay, done. So this is known as a parent class and this is known as a child class. Okay. So we have to create the object creation for the only child class. Okay, let's create the object creation also. So here the object creation should be done for the only child class. What is the child class name over here? B. So B is the child class name. So this is the B, which is the child class. And we have to specify this with the object name. Let's consider the object name as X. So X is equals to B. So now to access the methods which are there, the methods and the functions which are there in this, so we have to explicitly refer with the object name. What is the object name over here? X. X dot demo 1. Demo 1. Next. X dot one more function which is there, which is demo, just simply. Yeah, I think, see now, look at here, we got B is a child and even A is a parent class, parent. Yeah, so till here we completed. Next, what is the next step we have to do? Yes, till here we have completed. So we have created the parent and we have created the child, so which is A, B has completed. Next, we have to create the C. Now look at here, the C is a parent or the child. See, the C is a parent, it's not the child. So why? Because we have no connection between the A and C. So the C will not be the child of the A. So C will be the parent of what? D. Yes or no? So we have to create the C as a parent. C as a parent, not the child. Okay, now let's create the child or parent. Parent class for the C. Okay. So we'll copy this thing only so that you can understand. We'll do here only, not an issue. Yeah. So the parent is C. Yeah. Next, what is here? Demo 3. Now here, now C is a parent. Yes or no? What is the C? C is a parent. Okay, till here we have completed. We have created the C and we have created the B. Now, next step, till here we have completed. Till here our work is done. Now it's very important. Now look at here, we have to create the D as a child. So now D is a child, so D is considered as a child class for B and C. Now this B and C will act as a parent of D. So now let's create the D as a child class of taking the reference of B and C as a parent class. Now, okay. Now let's see D as a child class. Okay. Let's continue here only. Now, we have D. Yes, D. And we'll change the function to 4. Now, here D. Sorry. Yeah. D is a child of D is the child of B and C. Yes or no? D is the child of B and also C. Okay, completed. Now, here what we have to do. See, now here what we have to do. We have two parents for the only one child class. We have two parents. One is B and one more is C. Here what we have to do means, here we have to specify the one parent, comma, another parent which we have. So, we have to specify the two parents which we have by separating the two parent classes with comma. Okay. Now we have to create an object for this D class also. Why? Because D is a child class. Yes or no? So D is now child class, so that we have to create the object creation for the D also. Okay. Let's create the object as X. No, Y. Let's take Y. So Y equals to, what is the child class here now? D. So D. Now what are the methods? Look at here very carefully. Yeah. Now we have to specify this object dot. What are the methods are there in first D? Demo 4. Yeah. Demo 4. Yes, completed. Next. So D is a child. So what is the function in the D? Demo 4. So what is the question, what are the who are the parents of D? B and C. So we have to specify the B's method and C's method also. So now D dot demo1. Okay, and C's function is demo3. So Y dot demo3. Okay, I think you got a clarity. Yes, let's run this. Yeah, look at here. First, Y dot demo4. So if demo4 means the console will goes here. So in the demo4, what is the print statement we have? D is a child of B comma C. Yes, that statement is executed. Now next, Y dot demo1. In the demo1, so console goes to here in the this thing. So what is the print statement over here? B is a child of A. So B is a child of A. Yes, completed. Next, demo3. What is the demo3? C is the parent. C is the parent. So we have got these three statements. I think you have a clarity of using this. So this is known as hybrid inheritance. It's known as hybrid. Okay, so this is considered as hybrid, and this is known as multiple inheritance, where we have two parents for the one single child class. So to specify the two parents in the one single child class, we have to use in this way. We have to specify both the parents in the single line by specifying with comma. Okay, this is the difference. I think you understood about this hybrid inheritance. And that's it about this video. I think you understood about the single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and multiple inheritance also. If you have still any doubts, please mention in the comment section. I will be definitely solve your doubts. And that's it for this video. And thanks for watching. Let's meet in next video.